If you're buying sunglasses as a gift, you've probably hit the same wall I did most. Good brands start at $80, and the stuff actually under $50 looks like it came from a gas station rack. I spent hours pulling real Amazon listings, real reviews, and real prices to find 10 sunglasses gifts that are genuinely worth giving, starting with the one I'd think twice about. Number 5 is the Tifosi Swank. Tifosi built its name on sport-focused budget eyewear, and the Swank is its lifestyle crossover model. A Grilamid TR90 frame that weighs just 23 grams, an integrated hinge designed not to catch hair, and hydrophilic nose pads meant to grip better the more you sweat. The non-polarized version is priced at $25, which is the one that actually fits a sunglasses gift under $50 budget. Here's the catch, and it matters for a gift specifically. Tifosi also sells a polarized version of the Swank, and that one runs $55 to $65, well past the ceiling for this list. So, if you're buying this as a gift, you have to be deliberate about picking the non-polarized listing, or you'll blow the budget without meaning to. On top of that, at least one reviewer who owns the line specifically warned that the exterior tinting on these scratches off easily, which is a real trade-off for the low weight and low price. The Swank is built for a small to medium fit. Only Tifosi sells a separate Swank XL for larger faces, so if you don't know the recipient's face size, this is a bit of a gamble. Still, for the price, reviewers consistently describe it as a legitimately comfortable, no-slip pair that holds up fine for casual wear, cycling, or a round of golf. Number 4 is the WearMe Pro Polarized Retro Rectangular. WearMe Pro is a small, family-owned eyewear brand out of Arizona, and across their own site, they report a 4.7 out of 5 average across more than 14,000 reviews. With an average sunglasses price, researchers pegged at around $31 worth noting. That's a brand-wide number, not a rating tied to this specific rectangular style. The frame uses a sturdy polycarbonate build with solid metal hinges. The lenses are polarized for glare reduction, and it comes in a genuinely wide range of colors, which is helpful if you're shopping for someone whose taste you're guessing at. The honest catch here is a real one, sourced from an actual verified purchase on a related WearMe Pro polarized listing. One buyer reported cloudy blotches forming on the edges of both lenses after just a few weeks, and said no cleaning method fixed it, with no response from the seller when they reached out. That's one review, not a pattern I can confirm across the whole line, but it's the kind of failure that would be genuinely disappointing to unwrap as a gift. If you go this route, I'd keep the receipt and watch the lens edges early. Now, quick heads up before we get deeper into this list. The sunglasses at the very top aren't the most expensive ones here, and one of them has more verified customer reviews backing it up than every other brand in this list combined. We'll get there. Number 3 is the Blenders Eyewear L Series. Blenders has built a strong reputation for colorful, youth-skewing, polarized sunglasses, and the L Series specifically goes for a classic, simple frame shape rather than the brand's more athletic wraparound styles, which makes it a safer bet if you don't know the recipient's personal style. Every pair is polarized with 100% UV protection as standard. Here's the catch that actually matters most for this list. On Blender's own website, their polarized lineup is advertised starting at $49, right at the ceiling of this budget, while third-party retailers have listed certain individual Blenders styles anywhere from the low 30s up past $60, depending on the specific frame and lens combination. In other words, Blenders is not a brand where you can grab any style and assume it's under $50. You have to check the specific listing and specific color before you buy, because it's genuinely easy to accidentally go over budget with this brand. If you do land on an under $50 style, you're getting a well-known, well-reviewed brand with real polarized performance. Just don't assume the price without checking. Number 2 is the Carfia CA5354 Acetate Polarized. Carfia leans hard into the looks expensive, isn't positioning, and the CA5354 backs that up with a handcrafted acetate frame, fully polarized lenses with UV 400 protection, and a presentation package that's genuinely built for gifting. It ships with a leather case, a polarized test card so the recipient can immediately verify the lenses are doing their job, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. That combination of a leather case plus a verification card is something I didn't see standard on several pricier brands on this list, and it's a small detail that makes a real difference when someone's opening this in front of you. I didn't find a large verifiable pool of buyer complaints specific to this exact model, the way I did for some other entries here, which is itself worth being honest about it. Also means I have less independent, real-world durability data to point you to than I'd like. Treat this as a strong pick on paper and packaging, with less long-term track record behind it than the more heavily reviewed brands further down this list. Before we get to the last two, here's something worth knowing. Neither of the final two picks is the flashiest name on this list, but one of them has more documented Amazon reviews behind it than practically every other brand here combined. And the other is the single most reviewed budget sunglasses listing I found in this entire search. Let's finish this out. Number 1. The strongest pick on this whole list is the SOJOS Fashion Round SJ2057. SOJOS has become one of the most reviewed budget sunglasses brands on Amazon, and this specific oversized round style is a big reason why. It's backed by more than 14,000 customer reviews with a 4.5-star average rating, starting at around $18, which makes it one of the most affordable and most validated picks on this entire list at the same time. The frame is a lightweight plastic build with polycarbonate lenses. It's UV 400 rated to block both UVA and UVB radiation. And the oversized round shape genuinely works across a wide range of face shapes rather than flattering just one type. One buyer specifically called it cute, sturdy, and trendy, and noted it held up well for someone who typically loses or breaks sunglasses constantly, which is about as good an endorsement as a budget gift pick can get. The honest catch: because this specific Amazon listing offers a wide range of colors and finishes under the same base model, some buyers report the returns process gets complicated if the exact color or finish doesn't match expectations. So double-check the specific variant before you check out. At under $20 with this much review data behind it, this is the easiest, safest recommendation on the entire list. So here's how I'd sort all this by who you're actually buying for. If you want the single safest, most reviewed budget pick and don't want to overthink it, the SOJOS Fashion Round is the one I'd grab first. If the person you're buying for is outdoorsy driving, fishing, being on the water, the Duco 8177 backs that use case with more review data than almost anything else on this list. If presentation matters more than raw review count, the Carfia CA5354 has the nicest unboxing experience of anything under $50 here. And if a brand name sounds great, but the price tag doesn't match what's actually listed, like with blenders, or the unconfirmed Zenotic listing, always double-check the exact product page before you hit buy. Because on this list, that's the difference between a great gift and an accidental splurge. If this saved you from an accidental $80 under $50 gift, subscribe for more real, price-checked gift guides like this one, and drop a comment telling me which of these you're actually buying. I read every single one,